Located in the Alwar district of Rajasthan, the Bhangarh Fort is an ancient fort dating back to the 17th century. Apart from its magnificent location, the fort also has a chilling reputation of being the most haunted place in India. However, the fort's eerie atmosphere and the surrounding ghost stories have made it infamous. According to an ancient myth, the fort was cursed by a sage that led to its eventual desolation. Bhangarh Fort could be the only tourist place in India where the entry of foreign tourists is not freely permissible without a special permit. Apart from that, nobody is allowed within the environs of Bhangarh before sunrise and after sunset. Bhangarh Fort remains a mysterious and captivating destination, where history and ghostly folklore intertwine, leaving an indelible mark on those who dare to enter its haunted realm.